Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eman and I am back with a brand new Sunday tutorial for you guys. I just want to quickly say I'm so sorry I missed last week's Sunday tutorial. It will not happen again. I want to guarantee that every Sunday you guys will have a new video from me. For today's look, since my last tutorial was almost 40 minutes long, I thought it would be perfect to do a gorgeous makeup look that you guys can do in under 10 minutes. I use a bunch of products that I love in this video, so let's get started. So I am starting with a fresh, clean face, and for skincare today, I'm starting with the Mario Badescu Aloe Vera Toner. Toners are great for getting rid of any of those impurities that are on the surface of your skin, so any of that buildup or bacteria, all you do is put a little bit on a cotton pad, sweep it all over your face, and it's going to really help refresh and rebalance your skin. This one is great for dry or sensitive skin because it's extra hydrating. To prep my skin, I am using the Lancome Prep and Matte Primer. This is a very lightweight, oil-free primer that's going to mattify your skin. So if you get shiny throughout the day, this is going to really help reduce that shine, reduce the appearance of your pores. I love using this before foundation because this will also make your foundation go on a lot more evenly and stay on longer throughout the day. For foundation, I'm using the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation, and for concealer, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I recently just started using this Dior foundation and it is beautiful on the skin. If you love more of a glowy, natural finish, you're going to love this. It's very lightweight. It feels like you have nothing on. It gives your skin this kind of glowy, radiant finish. I blended both the foundation and the concealer with my beauty blender. And next I went straight into brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is a classic brow pencil. I think this is one of those holy grail products that everybody loves. It's just a really great brow pencil. I don't know if it's necessarily worth the price, but if you love Anastasia, then you're gonna love this product. It has a great texture. They make the best colors in the Brow Wiz, the most natural colors, and you also get the spoolie on the other end, so you have everything you need to create a perfect brow. Moving into the eyes, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk palette. I love this palette as an everyday eyeshadow palette. I'm starting with the medium matte shade, using that in my crease area. I love that there's a mix of matte shades, shimmery shades, and you could really play around and create beautiful natural looks with this palette. I'm sweeping that color in my crease and along my lower lash line. And then I'm taking the darker shade and kind of applying it all over my lid and just building it up to my crease. This is an eye look that you guys can definitely do so quickly, especially using just the one palette. Makes it so easy. Next, I'm taking that shimmery shade and applying it on the center of my lid. I'm switched up the brush to use something a little bit flatter so I can get right in there. And then I'm taking that shimmery shade and applying it in the inner corner as well and underneath my brows just for a pop of highlight. That's it for the eyeshadow. I'm moving into liner using the DIORSHOW Pro Liner. I love the felt tip on this. It's very thin, so you can get right in there. I'm using this very faintly in my waterline and then drawing the thinnest line ever along my top lash line and just kind of slightly pulling out that wing. I'm not trying to create a dramatic liner. This is just more to define the shape of your eye, but in a very natural way. All right, time for lashes. I'm using the DIORSHOW mascara to really give my lashes tons of volume, really pump them up, top and bottom. I threw on a couple of individual lashes. You definitely don't need to do this, but I decided to just add a couple here and there. But for an everyday look, A great mascara like this is all you need to make your eyes stand out. For the cheeks, I am using the new NARS Expose Cheek Palette. I love this palette, you guys. The colors in here are gorgeous. They're so beautiful on the skin. You have 6 different shades. They have highlighter shades and blush shades. And I kind of just mix and play with all of them. The blush shades are so pretty. They have a little bit of shimmer to them. And then I like to go in with the highlighter shades and add this gorgeous highlight all over my skin. So top of the cheekbones, above my brows, down the side of my nose, the cupid's bow, and this kind of just brings the whole look together. On my lips, I'm using the Dior Addict Stellar Shine lipstick. I know I'm using a lot of Dior products, guys. This video is not sponsored. I just got a bunch of new Dior products that I'm absolutely loving. I actually just spent the day with Dior last week and I got to meet Bella Hadid. And let me just tell you, she is absolutely stunning in person. I'm actually going to post a little bit of video from the event at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But this lip color is the perfect everyday color. It has a little bit of sheen to it and it conditions your lips, so it feels so great on. And that is a super easy 10-minute look, perfect for every day, but I love how beautiful and kind of glam this looks, and it really brings out all your features, but it's still such an easy wearable look. Love this tutorial. If you're new and you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe because I post a new video every Sunday. I promise you guys, I won't miss another Sunday. And we just hit 900,000 subscribers, so we are so close to 1 million. So share this channel with all of your friends, sisters, your moms, whoever loves makeup and beauty, and we'll hit 1 million before you know it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I love you, and I will see you next Sunday with a brand new Sunday tutorial.